Off our little boat from Bali to Nusa Penida, and you have to get across all this water. So Meme took off her clothes and swam in. Aji got carried. Comes more veggies. Sayur. Okay. These guys are having fun with their job. Senang. Gagayan ini. What? All the stuff on here. Rumawayan di Nusa Penida di Semaya. Belajar frisbee. Wayan. Siapa ini yang cinik? Frisbee di pohon. Masih di pohon lagi. Ya.
Halo.
Halo. Yan ini.
Cucu tu sini cucu. Kamu ni.
Ngai apa?
Ngasain tu.
Lesin tali.
Tali untuk apa? Tali untuk bola. Ya.
Getting in, no! So they're getting into the water ball fight here. Oh, a direct hit right in the back. Yeah, they got some pretty good arms here, you know. Major leagues need to worry about it. Of course, if they see me making these, they're going to start. See, we're here in the bleachers. This is the bleacher section here. Yeah, bleacher section. We're watching the festivities, the game right here. We're cheering them on. Which team we want, we don't know. This is in Nusa Penida, where they are harvesting seaweed and then replanting it. They apparently pull the seaweed out, pick the parts that they want, and then take the shoots, put them back in there. And they have these little sort of garden things, I guess. They harvest seaweed and people bring them in and out like here. They take inner tubes and baskets full of seaweed, and I think
looks like our transport is here, and off to Nusa Lembongan. Right in the back of a truck here. There's, I think Aji, there's your head, and the reason I'm bumping up and down is karena bumpy. Aji, menjelaskan kata itu. Pasar.
Golongan darah. Bagus apa? Golongan darahnya apa? Golongan darah.
Harbor di pelabuhan. Semoga bisa perahu cukup pelabuhan. Perahu yang mana? Tunggu untuk perahu. Mungkin ini banyak. Perahu ini banyak orang, banyak dadah, jembatan kapal untuk mancing. Semuanya lain di belakang. Ada. I passed about the whistles out. The grandmas are whistling here. Di sini. Bawa rumput bang. veggies here. Yeah, every stop. All getting off. Kasih. Jangan ini. Tiga. Di Nusa Lembongan. Kamar ini. Ada Aji di sana. Comfortable? Ada pasti. Bay ini aneh banget. Really nice bay. Kemang teman ini?
Tinju
ke Gembang. Ada cucu, Meme Naji, Gede, Elma, and tetangga Meme Ane tercinta. And
Yang saya cintai itu ini.
what's that? Bahasa Kasar. And Gusti Ane Engel.
Yang saya
Ngava Meme ke Gembang. Gede. Gede Elma. Bangun. And tetangga Meme Ane rindu Meme. Here's Semaya. Tunggu Meme. But sing ada Aji. Sing ada Aji Buan. Ada Target. Hi Target.
Dari security ini.
Aha, I think Jika Target and Katut ada sing Puun. But untunglah ada Hirwan ini ane saved Umah Meme.
Gundul. Ya, gundul pacul.
Pahlawan yang menyelamatkan Umah Meme depan.
Aji, when we come back, everybody here to greet us. Ini kaum Meme. Terbakar, Puun, jelek, mabo. Yuck.
Nguin kadang takut melayang terus.
Boneka kecil-kecil.
Abu kadang boneka, abu kadang.
Ada kan motor-motor parah, ini kacu.
Oh.
Bunyi kecil jadi parah.
Dia kecil. Apa
Kadang hantu.
Kamret lah yo.
Saya ngajak. Dok kera, nanti tinggalin aja doang kalau tuh jam salam. Gua maru tinjak kuit long gobok mulai hari apinya berdini ya udah tipinya dini mah.
Oh.
Meledak.
Lampu.
Itu lampu?
Iya.
Lampu dua.
Den kaking kenang ninggalin. Saya pada konsep biar bakal hidup listrik.
Aduh. Plastic?
Disco.
Here's where the toys are. Have to go through all of those. Guitar Masiade.
Iya.
This is what's left of our Keepa song on our fan. Ini Dogan. Listrik. This is Kampur Listrik. Ini Lampu. And Ini, believe it or not, Blender.